In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to use the Emacs editor. Emacs, like VI, is a powerful editor. Some people prefer VI, others prefer Emacs. My recommendation to you is to experiment with the Emacs editor and the VI editor and see which one you feel more comfortable with. You can't make a bad choice. To edit a file with Emacs, run Emacs and provide it the file name that you wish to edit. When you look at the Emacs documentation, you'll see C-character. This means to hold down the Control key while pressing that character. For example, C-H means to hold down the Control key while pressing the H key. If you see C-H space T, that means to hold down the Control key while pressing the H key, release the Control key, and then type the letter T. When you see M-character, that means to hold down the Meta key. The Meta key is the Alt key. You can also substitute the Escape key for the Alt key. For example, M-F translates to holding down the Alt key and pressing F, or pressing and releasing Escape, followed by the F key. You may need to use the Escape key as the Meta key since Alt can sometimes be intercepted by your terminal program, for instance. If you want to simplify things, just always use the Escape key for the Meta key. Use Control-H to get help. Type Control-X followed by Control-C to exit Emacs. Control-X, Control-S saves the file. Control-H-T will start the built-in tutorial. Control-H-K followed by a key will describe that key. You can use this to get help on a specific key command or key combination. Control-P will take you to the previous line, while Control-N will take you to the next line. Control-B is to go backward one character. Control-F is to go forward one character. Meta-F will move you forward one word, and Meta-B will take you back one word. Control-A will take you to the beginning of the line. Control-E will take you to the end of a line. Meta less than will take you to the beginning of the file, and meta followed by the greater than symbol will take you to the end of the file. To delete a character, type Control-D. To delete a word, it's Meta-D. Control-K will kill the rest of the current line. To kill the entire line, just position the cursor at the beginning of the line and type Control-K. In VI, yank means to copy. In Emacs, yank means to paste. So Control-Y is to yank or paste from the previously killed text. To undo, type Control-X, U. Control-S will start a forward search. Type the text you're looking for, and type Control-S again to move to the next occurrence of that text. Press Enter when you're done searching. Control-R starts a reverse search. Like VI, Emacs provides a way to repeat commands. For instance, to kill 3 lines of text, type Control-U, 3, Control-K. Let's edit a file with Emacs. We'll do file.txt. To navigate, we can use Control-N to go to the next line, and Control-F will go forward one character. Control-P will go previous line. Control-B will go back a character. To get to the beginning of the line, type Control-A, and to the end, Control-E. And you can just start typing text wherever your cursor is. So let's delete a character with Control-D. To delete a word, type Meta-D. Again, I can use Alt-D or Escape-D. Let's kill a line of text with Control-K, and I'll move to the bottom of the file and yank it or paste it in. Let's start a search. Let's search for the. Control-S will take you to the next occurrence, and then when you're done, you can just hit Enter. And if we do a reverse search, we can do that with Control-R. Let's do the same thing. Control-R takes you to the previous one, and when you're done, you can hit Enter. To exit, Control-X, Control-C, and I'm not going to save my changes. Let's get back into Emacs again. And we can save the file with Control X, Control S.